So, so
Got it.
telling you. So the today's topic of group discussion is India's falling GDP. So who want to start with? Who want to start? Who want to initiate?
No one is initiated. I am.
I think we have okay, Rashil speak.
Na chal chhod de.
No, you can.
Okay, I'm starting.
Okay.
First of all, we should know what is GDP. GDP is gross domestic product, and it consists of four parts. Consumption, like what we are consuming, the goods and services. Second, corporate investment, what investment our corporate or business are making in the country. Second, the government spending, what government is spending on the country, infrastructure also or policies also, everything. The government spending. And then the net export. Net export means export minus import. Export minus import. This is the net export. These are the four components which directly affect the gross domestic product. And now,
Okay, I agree your point, Akansha. Like you have said that what GDP comprises of. Yeah, you are right at your point. And like GDP tells us what? It tells us that tells the total gross production of India, that how much production has been done in India. It's been like every production, and means every production the cost has been taken, and the last cost is being taken from for the calculation of GDP. For an example, like talking about a laptop. Okay. So when we used to go to buy laptop, the exchange that market, sorry, that shopkeepers ask us for the money of that laptop, not of that processor. Like for suppose our laptop is of 50,000 rupees. He'll say just pay me 50,000 rupees, take your laptop and go. He will never ask you like pay 10,000 rupees for the processor, 5,000 rupees for that window, 10,000 rupees for keyboard, 5,000 rupees for the touchpad. He'll not say this in this way. He'll tell that laptop comprise of 50,000 and just pay me and go. That 50,000 rupees is the GDP. Rest other things are the initial cost, like all the cost of these things, processors and all. So when we used to calculate GDP comprises of the last value of any product. For example, if you I would like to go for a simple example like samosa's last price is 5 rupees or 10 rupees. That samosa maker will not ask you to pay for potato or maida and all. The last price comprises of GDP. Thank you. Anybody else?
And I think the topic was of GDP was the solution of falling GDP. Na, I just want
so first,
add one solution, that if the farmer will get good income, so it will increase our GDP. As we know that a farmer is what we say, a farmer is growing crops, and we are buying it at high cost, but they are not getting that much profit. They are getting very less profit. But the act which has been implemented last year, the Farmer Act, it will allow them to sell their products in higher brigade, so they will get more profit, and it will definitely increase our GDP. And yes, for after increasing the income of farmers, GDP will definitely. And
yeah, I agree your point, Neha. Like
also.
that if we will pay more revenue to farmers, then our GDP will increase. But do you know that what are the basic reasons why GDP is going down? Why farmers are not getting
Yes.
revenue?
First
and
of
they are not
all, we
paying?
have to like pay our attention on the problems, like
Yeah,
what
so
GDP is facing.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
according
Yes,
like according to GDP record of 2021, there was a like a decline of a 7.3%. GDP growing negative in 7.3. That's in the history of India. This happens first time that
Yeah.
our GDP has shrunk so much. So we have to first focus like what are the reasons. First of all, this pandemic is a reason. We can say that pandemic is a reason, but there are many countries, like 28 countries to be specific, including Bangladesh, Vietnam, China. They have grown in this pandemic, and their GDP has grown.
Yeah,
So what's
exactly.
the fault in Indian system? Like we have fallen so much. We have to discuss on this first.
Yeah, I totally agree your point. Like you mentioned that only many of us, like if we used to look show media or television, there is only the one news that just because of this pandemic and because of the US-China trade war, the our GDP has gone down. That is only not the specific reason why our GDP is going down. There are
You
many
are
other
right.
specific. Yeah, yeah, Vartika.
Actually, you are right, Parthi. There are many other reasons, and the most common reason is we were using Chinese product. We were not focusing on India's goods. And the second reason is if a task can be done by if there is a task, but what government is doing, the government is imposing only one officer for 9 other tasks. So that is also the reason our GDP is decreasing, because
And
other people
one
are getting unemployed because of that. And people are also not we Indians are not properly utilizing our land and other resources.
And one
Yeah,
reason I also think so that a big entrepreneur are taking over the small businesses. And like if they get affected, it is indirectly affecting our GDP only, because services that sector decrease, they have to close down their shops and all. Like it is affecting. So one thing which we can do is we should support small businesses or local businesses. Like
Exactly.
if
I
you
agree
want
with
to
you.
buy something, you can purchase it from a Instagram page or something. There are also small businesses, many small businesses, so it will affect economy in a better way. And
Yeah,
second solution is that like government has to spend more. Government has to spend more on, like they have to provide money to these businesses or like farmers, so that they can purchase more equipment, so that produce can be more. And if produce is more, farmer will be farmer condition will improve, and hence GDP will also improve.
Exactly,
yeah,
Akansha,
These are the
support
two
you.
solutions.
Exactly, Akansha, I support your point. And as the topic was about discussing solutions to the falling of GDP in India, so I think,
and Prashar have
uh,
read all the solutions, not about the topic.
yeah, so I think during this pandemic and when people are facing,
your voice is not
म्यूट
coming.
गलती से म्यूट हो गया तेरा.
Prashal, your voice is not come.
You go.
so, so during this pandemic when
हाँ, speak.
अरे कॉल आ गई थी किसी के बीच में, तो क्या कह रही थी, हाँ. So during this pandemic, I watched the quick and a very technical solution. People were discussing about developing the infrastructure of India, which can contribute tons to the growth of GDP in India. Like we have seen conditions of roads, highways, and only only in metropolitan cities like Delhi and
Net
Kolkata we
collection.
have क्या बोलते हैं ना, वो expressways and other things. So I think
Yeah,
constructing roads, buildings and etc. will definitely help, and government, since they make plans, so why don't they initiate plans to construct highways and other things like they did before, but it was not properly implemented. So they should start doing that. Will help cement, coal business,
yes,
petrol business, etc.
I
Yes,
agree with Prashar, and I want to add one point that by urbanizing the rural areas, our GDP will increase. Means if the development will held in rural areas also, So our the GDP will affect, means it will increase as means light will mean if light will reach to their net connections and every Wi-Fi and all good roads and all, then the GDP will increase by urbanizing the rural areas. Yeah.
Yeah, you are
Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely
I
right,
agree
Neha.
with
It will
Parshul.
increase employment. And I want to add one more point that we should focus.
Employment.
Shut up. We should focus more on the travel and tourism because it's a great way to boost our GDP. And you know, USA GDP from travel and tourism is 2/3 of the India's total GDP. So we can also invest something in travel and tourism to boost it. As you know, how India is a very cultural country, and it is having lots of places.
This can be done by like we can improve our tourist places. Like our tourist places are not up to mark.
तो बताना है
We
जब
have
बराबर
to like make new tourist places and improve and maintain our recent tourist places. Like there are many temples who are like destroyed
I want
because
to say
nobody is
that only
nobody is
500
caring.
is remaining.
And many beautiful places are just obscured. We want Indian government to just make them famous. Indian government or any people, not Indian government.
But I think that why this India's GDP has gone so down and that much down that it has gone in negative, and only one person means the major part of
It is
this.
because
deficit is
it is because we are not using all the things in proper way. Means if look in I will tell about my area. The one cable wire is gone through our means our build from the front of our building. Okay, we are having DTS. Don't include me in that. That cable wire has been gone from our area from and our one neighborhood has just cut that wire and take the connection to his what we say, his TV. So he is not paying the bill for that. He has just what we say, he is just चोरी करने को क्या कहते हैं?
चोरी करने को
इसे
चोरी करने को.
stole.
Yeah, they have
Stole.
stole that connection, so they are not paying for that. They are not getting any means they are not giving anything to government of that cable wire. So so my point is that it is
Yes, this is a reason.
Neha, like you
Yes,
were telling,
Neha.
like you were
Like
telling,
many people in our village, they don't pay for electricity bill. They just used to
Yes.
throw the wire on the wires.
Yeah,
and they
that
used to
would
get
have
free
my one
electricity.
neighborhood has
This is
done that, and I
affecting.
have said them many times that why you are doing this. You can
This is
just pay it.
affecting our GDP
Yeah,
because our
okay,
nation
then we
is
can
not
once
getting
we
the
can understand it for that
revenue.
poor one. But in our campus, all are the government employee, so they can pay the bills. So why they are just stealing that connection? They should pay for that, na? So, that
You both
yeah,
are
you are
right.
right.
Akanksha
Neha,
and
like you
Neha.
are right. You are let me put one point. Then you speak, Vartika. Like you are right that some people used to stole things and all. But you people really think just because of these small things, our GDP has gone that down that it has gone in negative? I don't think that
no,
this is
I'm
only
saying
the.
that it
We
is the one of the
but
reason,
this is
not
a reason
one
because
of
they
the
are
reason.
It is one of the reason. But you know what is the major chunk? The major thing is like government is responsible for that. You know, in the starting when Modi Sarkar has came, he said that
Yes,
he will
I
raise that our GDP to the 3 trillion. And what is the
yes.
today's condition that it has gone so down? And what is the reality that we are
Yes, yes.
5%?
GDP of our country is matlab constantly falling from 2016 when there was demonetization, and
Huh.
it is not that time we don't have pandemic. So there
Yeah,
is not a
exactly.
reason like now government can blame. Now government can say put all the blame on corona. But at
That is not
that time,
true.
what is the reason?
We should conclude
Yes.
fast because only
That's
1 minute
because
is
of
remaining for the
demonetization.
meet. And
Yeah, and one of the reason is also that there is no demand of Indian product in outside world, in foreign countries. Nobody is buying Indians technology. We Indians are going to Chinese technology, so this will have an impact when export will not be
Yes.
there. So GDP will always decrease. Actually,
Like if export can be increased, so GDP will automatically increase.
Yeah, and
And
then
one thing
what
is
is that
that if government
Atmanirbhar,
spending also
that
increase, like
self-reliance,
if government spend more on
self-reliance
roads,
campaign will
infrastructure, and
also
other
increase
things.
that GDP self-reliance campaign will also increase the GDP. And I think we should conclude that because only less than 1 minute is remaining, and I have to see.
And my 2% battery is remaining.
And I have to also.
Okay, then I'm giving 3 solutions, then please allow me.
Yeah, Akanksha,
Okay.
explain
Okay,
each and
I'm
everything
saying
today.
that
He's so
I'm
prepared.
saying that
Like that. Haven't
first
prepared.
way is that if government increase the spending on roads, infrastructure, or they give the money to farmers, small business, it will like boost our GDP. Because like if road is made properly, the cost of transporting a material will decrease. And the time, if time will decrease, automatically cost will decrease and profit will increase. So GDP will increase for sure. And second,